Thank you for joining the Build overview for eSchool Data version 11.1. Today we're going to go over some of the newly enhanced items included in this release. The first is an additional ClassLink Zap. If we log into Guru and we navigate to the Marketplace and we select Zaps, you're going to want to go to Install Zaps. And if you search for ClassLink, you'll find this new ClassLink One Roster to Rooms Link Zap. It's going to create a file that ClassLink can use with the One Roster standard that is going to link the room source ID with the class source ID. The next additions are for Guru API. If we navigate to Security and Roles and we go to the Actions, we're going to want to go to API Permissions. Under the API permissions, if you search for graduation map, you're going to find this new item for graduation map requirements that you're going to want to turn on. And once that's turned on, then we can go ahead and add the new endpoint. Once you have the permission on, you can navigate to your vendors tab and then edit any of the vendors that you would like to turn this new permission on for. Scroll down till you find the graduation map endpoint, and then you can just enable that and finish the setup, and it's ready to use. Now we're going to scroll down to the graduation map endpoint. When you search, this is going to include all of your details that are set up for any of your graduation map requirements. This endpoint is not designed to pull in any student progress towards completion of these graduation maps. It is simply the graduation map details, all of the different parameters that are set up within each of the graduation or performance maps. We have one more addition within the API, and that is within the Get Students endpoint. We have added a new parameter to be able to include student lockers. When that is set to true and you run the endpoint, any student locker details that are currently assigned will be present within the endpoint. That concludes the highlights for Release 11.1. Please visit the Release Notes tab within the Help site for more information.